In the stillness of the night, we lift our song, with our hearts open wide to where we belong. You guide us gently with your loving hands. In every moment, Lord, your grace withstands. Seeking your face, oh, we find our peace. In your tender mercy, our worries cease. Blessed are those who know this joyful news. With every heartbeat we rejoice. You lead us on paths so true and bright. In the warmth of your love we find our light. The beauty of your glory shines in our soul. With every blessing, you make us whole. You've taught us to cherish, to love and to give. In your embrace, Lord, forever we live. You've held us tight in the shadows of strife. In your arms we find the fullness of life. Blessed are those who know this joyful noise. With every heartbeat we rejoice. You lead us on paths so true and bright. In the warmth of your love we find our light. Forever we trust as we see.